Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling the Pershing tank, available at miniaturetanks.com. So let's go ahead and take some of the pieces that don't need any cutting away with sprue supports. All right, then take your sprue cutters and carefully cut underneath this gun. Be careful not to cut the gun off. All right. All right, so that should be good, the way that is. All right. Up next, go ahead and take the sprue and cut right there. Okay. All right, so of course then take this piece of plastic off and then continue with cutting underneath the gun like this. Just cut it away, cut and peel, whatever works best. And then peel off that plastic there. Okay, and then what's next is take your sprue cutters, cut away at these marks here, and then just make sure that under the gun it's all cleaned up. Well, and then if you wish, you can take some sanding supplies and sand underneath there, if that's something that you wish. So now let's go ahead and glue this model together. So the most obvious step, of course, just put some glue here. All right. And then I'm going to use this table as kind of a guide, and that helps make sure that it's going in the correct spot, using that flat surface there to help make sure. See how that worked out pretty well. And then of course the next step can be this. So take some glue and just put it there. And then take this gun, put it on the turret, making sure that it goes in the correct position like that. If that's not enough glue, you can put some glue on the sides here, put some more there, just to ensure that it adheres well. Then try to get that in the correct position like that. All right, then I'm going to let that turret aside for now. Then here we have this. So you can see on this back where the features line up. If you put it like this, that would not be good. So you can see which way it's supposed to go. So of course, let's get some glue here and glue there. And then, like before, you can go ahead and even use the table as a guide to make sure it's going in the correct position. Pushing down to make sure it's gluing well. All right. Well, very good. So what's next is let's go ahead and glue some of these together. You can see pretty well how that would go like that. If you take the other track, it would just not fit. So it doesn't take too much explanations to get that in there. So essentially, take some glue, put it in the top there, and maybe some A little bit of glue on each one of these. And put that track like that. Now for the other one, get some glue there, and then like this. There you go. And then there you have it. Those two tracks are on now. So the next step, you can see how this should be glued on this way. It's obviously not going to be glued on this way. So take the correct side and just put some glue on the track, because then you know it's in the correct spots to be being glued together. Then take this and make sure that all these features are lining up well when you're gluing this piece together. There we go. Now for the other side. Should be done with that glue now. You can even use the table as a guide as well. And then see that the tracks are all touching the surface of the table well. Then put the turret in there. And there you have it. This is the Pershing from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.